Okay, so today we're going to work on rounding decimals. We're going to put today's date, which is November 6th. The topic, 2-2 rounding decimals. And on my notebook, it can be found on page 30. If you need to pause, go ahead and pause here, update your table of contents, and then resume the video. So today's topic is on rounding decimals. Now we've all rounded whole numbers before. You already know how to compare whole numbers and decimals. Today you'll learn how to replace a decimal with another number that tells about how many or how much and is easy to use in computation. Why? Well, which is easier? 19 plus 27 or 20 plus 30? Well, 20 plus 30 is easier. Why? 20 plus 30 has fewer non-zero digits. Numbers with zeros like multiples of 10, 100, or 1,000 are easier to work with. So now we're going to try to round decimals so that we can make them easier to work with. Our essential question for today is, how can you round decimals? The vocab is rounding. Rounding replaces one number with another number that tells about how many or how much. An example we can use is round 2 and 36 hundredths to the nearest tenth place. Well, 2 and 36 hundredths is closest to 2 and 4 tenths. And the way I know that is I look at the value in the hundredths place and I either round up or down. So this value right here is 6. 6 is closer to rounding up, so we're going to turn that into a 4. If that was below 5, we would leave that at 3 and we would just round down. So it's closest to 2 and 4 tenths. Another way we can round decimals or round any number is using a number line. So an example below is what I would like you guys to do. Is I would like you to, first of all, if you need to pause at any time and copy everything down, then you need to go ahead and do that before you move on. But for the example below, I have 12 and 8 tenths, 12 and 13 hundredths, 12 and 5 tenths, and 12 and 8 hundredths. For each number, I want to tell if it is closer to 12 or 13. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to create a number line. And on the left side of my number line, I'm going to have 12. And on the right side of my number line, I'm going to have 13. About halfway through, this is going to be 12 and 5 tenths. So I'm going to divide my number line into tenths. So it would be 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths, and 9 tenths. So if you need to catch up and pause your number line, go ahead and do that.